Scott, and this is Kirsten. We're here at the Wisconsin Humane Society in beautiful Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Birds colliding with windows is a huge problem across North America. It's estimated conservatively that between 100 million and 1 billion wild birds die from colliding with windows every year. During the daytime, birds collide with windows for two different reasons. One, they see the reflection of the landscape and sky on the surface of the glass. Or they look in one window and right through out another window, kind of a tunnel-like effect. To apply window alerts to your windows to help save wild birds. Kirsten's just using a little pump sprayer with plain water in it. Quick cleaning of the glass with plain water. Apply the window alert. She's just going to burnish it lightly with the rag.